THUient geo-containment technology has been protecting people for decades. In fact, more than 5 decades of product innovations, problems solved, and projects completed. What began as simple nylon bags to hold sand and provide erosion protection has evolved into a technology to produce sand dune cores, wetlands, and other habitats, jetties, dikes, and underwater structures, and to even raise brand new islands from underwater. THUient geotube containment technology has also expanded to include dewatering applications for treating industrial waste, municipal sludge, and hazardous contaminated sediments. How do we measure over 50 years of proven technology? It's about protecting people and their environment. It's about millions of square meters of shoreline property protected by THUient geotube technology and millions of tons of sludge pumped into THUient geotube containers for dewatering. More than 50 countries from around the world have taken advantage of our technology for their marine structure and dewatering projects. Quite simply, success is the best measuring stick, and it's how we evaluate ourselves every day. From its beginning, THUient containment technology has continued to be improved with new products and innovations. In the old days, small textile bags were filled manually, but as the industry and applications grew, much faster hydraulic filling was required. As a result, much stronger geotube containers were needed, and THUient geosynthetics led the way by developing higher strength, engineered textiles manufactured specifically for the geotextile tube market. To ensure the required factor of safety is achieved, THUient geosynthetics controls the entire manufacturing process from fiber to finished product and maintains the same standards at all of our locations around the world. Our advanced patented technology includes mechanical geoports for increased strength and to allow easy access for monitoring or tests. Circumferential seaming, which reduces stress on the seams and allows for higher pumping heights and a higher factor of safety than longitudinal seams. Flat-end technology is a patent-pending development that is the key to achieving constant elevation and seamless transition across geotube container junctions by allowing them to be butted together without a break in protection. Our geotube container assembly process is industry exclusive and allows us to manufacture larger containers for advanced applications. Our proprietary software provides design and technical assistance to owners, engineers, and contractors to ensure each and every THUient geotube container project is successful for the customer. Our newly developed carbon footprint calculator can measure the positive effects of geotube containers on a project's overall carbon footprint. Advanced technology, innovative designs, and exclusive software to ensure that your project runs smoothly. It's over 50 years of expert know-how, unmatched in the industry. To become the world leader in geo-containment technology, you have to prove yourself in diverse countries with diverse climates. We set the global standard for marine structure and dewatering applications using textile tube technology. We've developed customized solutions for challenges around the world. Incheon Grand Bridge in Incheon City, South Korea, where geotube containers were utilized to build a platform to facilitate the construction of a new bridge to connect Incheon City and the Incheon National Airport. U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Shoreline Protection Project in Grand Isle, Louisiana, USA, where a line of defense against hurricanes was provided by more than 9,000 meters of geotube containers buried within the sand dunes. In Marghera port of Venice, Italy, geotube containers were utilized to dewater 350,000 cubic meters of sludge, heavily contaminated with PCB and heavy metals. Canal do Fundão, located on the western shore of Guanabara Bay in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, where 4,000 meters of geotube containers were utilized to contain and dewater over 500,000 cubic meters of contaminated sediment. In the People's Republic of China, over 18,000 meters of geotube containers were filled with contaminated sediment as a part of a groundbreaking remediation program to support the vital conservation efforts at Sino-Singapore Tianjin Eco-City. On Palmachim Beach, Israel, where a desalination plant was being built, sand-colored geotube containers with flat ends were utilized to form a dike protecting the working area from the Mediterranean Sea. Winning the 2012 International Outstanding Achievement Award may seem like an opportunity to look back at our accomplishments. But if you don't mind, we prefer to look forward, because nothing is more important than the future. At THUient Geosynthetics, we will continue to advance the technology, solve problems, and take the lead on projects around the world to protect people for decades to come.